a village with no elections since independence, where elders never eat alone. Meet Chandanki, Mehsana, praised by the PM as a beacon of unity. Discover India's ultimate model of rural transformation. Watch the full story now.
Since independence, a village that has never needed to cast a vote for a Sarpanch election, Mehsana's Chandanki has emerged as a true symbol of unity for the nation today. Specially mentioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Mann Ki Baat, the primary identity of this village is its community kitchen. Here, elders are served not just a meal, but the warmth and respect of a family. The community kitchen of Chandanki village in Mehsana has become a powerful medium, not just to satisfy the hunger of its elders, but to cure their loneliness. Because of this profound social unity and mutual cooperation, Chandanki stands as a beacon of inspiration for the entire country.
આ રસોડાને 15 થી 20 વર્ષ થઈ ગયા. વડીલો માટે અમે બીજી પણ ઘણી સગવડો કરી છે. હિંચકા બનાવ્યા છે અને ત્યાં બેસવાના બોકડા બનાવ્યા છે. ટૂંકમાં અમારું મેઇન કામ છે વડીલોનું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું. દરેકના ફાધર મધરનું ધ્યાન રાખવા માટે અમદાવાદથી પણ દર રવિવારે માણસ આવી શકે, 15 દાડે આવે, મહિને આવીને 2-3 દિવસ રહે અને ગામની અંદર બધાનો સહકાર હોવાથી આ ગામ બહુ સરસ ચાલે.
Running successfully for the last decades, these service-driven projects provide exceptional facilities, including special meal arrangements for the elderly, a Gaushala, cow shelter, and weekly medical camps. Equipped with modern amenities like CCTV cameras and pure drinking water in every household, Chandanki village is a living example of respect for women and senior citizens. The democracy of this village is equally remarkable. Ever since the Panchayati Raj was implemented, an election has never been held here. The villagers choose their representatives purely through mutual consensus and unbreakable trust.
ભેગું મળી જે ગામની અંદર રહેતા હોય એમનું જ સિલેક્શન કરી કે જેથી કરી ગામની અંદર રહેતા માણસોની સમસ્યાઓનું નિરાકરણ કરી શકાય એ માટે ગામના વ્યક્તિનું જ સિલેક્શન કરી અને સરપંચ બનાવતા હોય છે.
Driven by the mantra of faith, discipline, and collective growth, this small village has proven to be India's ultimate model for rural transformation. If the incredible unity and values of Chandanki village inspired you today, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family so this story reaches every corner of the country. For more untold stories of India's rich culture, heritage, and rural transformation, make sure to subscribe to the Mrunal Bhojak official YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update.